Sinabi nyo pa rito, that was due to the urgency of the expenses. So ibig sabihin, may sinabi sa inyong expenses na urgent kaya humingi ng 150,000. In short, pinaliwanag sa iyo kung bakit humingi ng 150,000. Yes? Yes.
Nilapit po ito sa akin ni Miss Gina Acosta, our
At sinabi
SDO.
niya.
And then she mentioned that there was a request from Colonel Chica for
And,
an urgent.
and there was urgency for that
Yes.
request. Diba? At hindi rin karaniwan na may hihingi sa'yo ng 150,000 from your own pocket. Hindi naman to karaniwang ginagawa sa OVP or karaniwan ba ito?
No, it's not
No.
common.
Okay. Pero nung gumagawa ka ng notice of suspension, bigla mong nakalimutan na merong 150,000. Sinabi mo na kanina
Let
na
her finish her
in-explain
question
sa'yo.
and then I will hear your objection, Counsel.
Sinabi mo na kanina na pinaliwanag sa inyo ni Ms. Acosta na galing kay Colonel Chica yung paliwanag ng urgency for the request. Tama ba?
Yes.
Counsel?
Your,
Asked and answered already, Your Honor.
Proceed, Attorney May.
okay. Yung, Mr. Ortonio, your salary grade 29, correct?
That's correct, ma'am.
And you're receiving roughly how much in salary monthly? Mr. Ortonio.
Your Honor, please.
What is the objection, Counsel?
Relevance
This is
of the
very
question.
relevant, Your Honor. It goes into the credibility of this witness.
And if you can afford 150, Counsel, if you remember, Gina said the same yesterday. Witness will please answer the question.
Salary grade 29, roughly about 180, 190 gross.
So yung binigay mo ng 150,000 from your personal funds, that's just around 40,000 short of your monthly salary. Tama ba?
That's correct.
Yes. Nung binigay mo ba ito, yung 150,000, may hiningi kang resibo, patunay na nagbigay ka ng 150,000.
At the time po, because of the urgency and dahil humingi po ng tulong si Miss Gina sa akin, I provided her with the request.
And were you able to recover the 150,000, Mr. Ortonio?
Unfortunately, ma'am, I was not reimbursed anymore.
You were not reimbursed.
Up to today, Mr. Ortonio?
Yes, Your Honor. I wasn't reimbursed anymore.
At itong 150,000 naman na ito, hindi ito nag-appear. Yung pagbigay mo ng 150,000, hindi ito nag-appear sa kahit anumang record ng Office of the Vice President.
No.
Hindi.